Ryan Garcia is an American professional boxer. He has held the WBC interim lightweight title since January 2021. He was born in Victorville, California and he is of Mexican descent. His parents' names are Henry and Lisa García. Ryan has three sisters, Demi, Sasha and Kayla, and a brother who is also a professional boxer named Sean García. His parents are actively involved in his amateur career. They continue to assist Ryan with his professional career as his father remains on-office trainers and his mother works as his personal administrative assistant for commercial projects. In March 2019, he welcomed a daughter named Rayleigh Garcia with Catherine Gamage. In December 2020, he had another daughter Bella with his partner Drea Selena. He began boxing at the age of 7 in his family's garage and he had become a 15-time national champion in his career as an amateur boxer. In 2014, he was a National Junior Olympic silver medalist. During his early years in professional boxing, he gained popularity after knocking out Miguel Carrizosa in less than 30 seconds. In 2019, he was cast as a lead in a Brat web series. He is known for beating most of his opponents within the first two rounds by knockout. He signed with Golden Boy Promotions in 2016 and became a sponsored athlete for Gymshark. He won the WBC Silver Lightweight title after defeating Romero Duno in September 2019. He made his professional debut on June 9, 2016 in Tijuana, California, where he fought against Edgar Meza. He won the match by TKO. Garcia has been nicknamed The Flash and has won 14 different titles for his nations. The titles include Junior Olympics, Junior Golden Globes, National Pulse and Silver Globes. He is promoted by American-Mexican professional boxer Oscar de la Hoya-owned Golden Boy Promotions. As of January 2021, he is ranked as the world's third best active lightweight by the Ring magazine. On September 18, 2019, Romero Duno was announced as Garcia's next opponent. Garcia defeated Duno with a first-round knockout, capturing the WBC Silver Lightweight title. On January 2, 2020, Golden Boy announced Garcia would be facing Francisco Fonseca on February 14 at the Honda Center Anaheim. Garcia landed 7 punches in the fight before landing a lead left hook which knocked out Fonseca in the first round. On May 4, 2018, he defeated Jason Valles from Puerto Rico in a unanimous decision to win both the vacant NABF and WBO NABO Super Featherweight titles. He remained unbeaten as of March 30, 2019 when he fought Puerto Rico's Jose Lopez and beat him via corner retirement RTD. Out of these 15 matches, he has won 15 through knockouts and 3 through decisions.